Welcome. In front of me is an LG K61, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which looks like it's in the essentials. From here, tap on the three dots and let's go to manage contacts, where you will find import. And from here you want to select import from SIM card and select to phone, unless you want to, if you are logged into Google, you should also see another option, basically your Google account. So if you want to do your Google account, you can select that as well. That's completely up to you. Now I only have phone, so that's what I'm going to stick with. Then tap on OK, and it will show you all the contacts that are on the phone, or well, on the SIM card. And from here you want to select which contacts you want to select or import. And you can also select them all by tapping right here if you want to. And from here you can also deselect, for instance, the ones that you don't want, if it's, for instance, a couple of them that you might not want. Once you have everything selected that you want to have, tap on import, and you're done. The contacts now have been imported, and you can see that they're now duplicating, and you can see which one is on the SIM card and which one is on the phone based on that blue icon of a SIM card besides the letter. As you can see, the one below is on the phone, those two below are on the phone. So yeah, I get the point. But that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.